was that? Hi guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall try-on clothing haul. I have not done one of these in a hot minute and I'm so excited because this is like my first fall that I'm actually experiencing because I go to school in Indiana and it's full on like 40 degrees here. I am freezing my ass off every single day. So I'm really excited to film this. Looking at all these clothes in front of me, I realized that I never need to go shopping ever again. The two main stores I shopped at were Urban Outfitters and Brandy Melville. These pieces are like meant to transition more into fall and yeah. Let's just get started. This is the first thing that I picked up. It is this army little cargo sweater. I showed it in a couple of videos ago when I was packing for LA. But this is from Aritzia. I just think it is so cool. I had never had like a camo sweater. I've had camo pants, but I've never had like a cool camo sweater. Sleeves are also really cool on this. It's like bell-bottom type of vibes. I love it. I think it's great and I think you need it, so go get it. Next sweater is this little gray knit from Brandy Melville. I think this is just a good little sweater to have. I really love the material. It's super soft. It's not the one that like makes you itchy. I hate those sweaters. They're the worst. But this one is really good quality and it will just keep me nice and warm. I have a problem of getting sweaters that are really cute, but they don't keep me warm, and in LA that was totally fine, but here it is definitely not. So this is perfect. I'll be wearing this a ton. Next sweater is from Urban Outfitters. This is so soft. I love how the sleeves are a little bigger and then it kind of cinches up around your wrist area. It's also nice because it's bigger, but it still looks cute with a pair of jeans. Like, it's like the perfect size. You know how a sweater is like either too big or too short and it just doesn't look right? This one looks perfect. But yeah, just super soft and just another good little sweater to have. Next sweater is from Zara. This is probably the sweater that I've worn most since getting all this stuff. Like, I've worn this sweater to class with a pair of leggings and sneakers and it's super cute and keeps me warm. And then I've also worn it with a nice pair of jeans and some little booties and gone out to dinner with my friends. So it's super versatile and it's honestly just like the easiest thing to throw on and have a cute outfit, and it makes it look like you tried a little more, which is great because I'm the laziest person ever. Oh, there's a lot of sweaters. I did not realize how many I had. Also, everything will be linked down below if I forget to say where everything is from. Next thing is from Urban Outfitters. I think this is probably the dopest jacket ever. It has a really cool little fur collar and I feel like this just screams fall, right? Yeah? I think so. I would wear this with a pair of jeans and a little white long sleeve shirt underneath and then a pair of black booties or sneakers, whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. Just like the cutest going out outfit, I feel like. Okay, wow, we are speeding through this. Next thing is another sweater from Urban Outfitters. It's this white cropped cardigan. This is cool because the sleeves are bigger, but it's still cropped, so it shows your figure a little more. This definitely isn't the warmest, but if you're like in LA and you're having fall there, this is perfect. This is just super cute. I said it, damn it. My next sweater is from Urban Outfitters. Plot twist, right? Wow. This is just a classic black cardigan. I feel like everyone needs one of these. It's just perfect and goes with everything and it's super simple yet still makes it look like you tried a little bit more. Keeps me warm. It's really soft and you need it, so go get it. Moving on to more like shirts and less sweaters and jackets and stuff like that. I got this huge oversized long sleeve sweatshirt, shirt, thermal, something like that along those lines. I think this is really cool. It says never, yeah, and then it also says forever on the back spelled out. I think this is really dope. Also super big on me. I like everything oversized. I get like a size large and everything. I think this is perfect for fall and it's just like really cool, I feel like. Like, I feel it cool when I wear it. My camera just died, but we're back. So recently I've been obsessed with turtlenecks. As you guys will tell, I have a ton of turtlenecks here. So the first turtleneck I got is from Brandy Melville. This one's really nice because it doesn't go too high up on your neck where you have to like roll it down again. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I have a really short neck. I don't know. This one is perfectly cropped, so it's not too long and not too short, and it kind of just makes your waist look really good. I feel like this one's just like really fun and it has stripes on it, so cool. Next turtleneck is from Urban Outfitters. I love this color. I think it just screams fall and it's honestly just like a really nice texture and it's like really comfy. This looks really good with high-waisted Levi's and then just like Air Force Ones and then your AM GIA coat. Ooh, and maybe like a beanie with it. That's really cute. Next kind of turtleneck inspired sweater thing is this one. It's from Brandy Melville. This one's cool because it has a zipper and it's a nice little cropped one. It's kind of lightweight, so if it's not that cold for fall, then it's still like a long sleeve and it'll still keep you like a little warm. Another one that's really similar to that because it has a zipper is this one. It's also from Brandy Melville. This one's just really fun because it is striped and just different and not black like every other thing I wear. So the texture on the neckline is really, really cool and like stretchy. So yeah. And then again with a pair of high-waisted jeans because it's cropped. Really, really cool and different. Next thing I got is this sweater from Theory. This is just a classic black sweater. I just wanted to get it because all the other black sweaters I have are Bali and they just aren't good quality, and I don't know. I just wanted like a nice, good black sweater to have. I usually wear this to like layer stuff, so I wear a long sleeve and then wear this and then my AM GIA jacket, and it keeps me like super, super warm. And I also look like normal and not crazy and like all bundled up. So this is perfect for that. And yeah. The next thing I got is from the brand Cherry. I got this sweater a really, really long time ago, but I feel like this brand is getting really, really popular recently. This is really, really dope. Like, this is probably one of my favorite long sleeve thermals that I have. I share this shirt with my boyfriend. I think it's so, so dope, and I don't know, sometimes I feel like guys' clothes are just like really cool. Comment down below if you agree or if that's just really weird. Sometimes I'm feeling super girly and I just want to wear like a dress and high heels, and then sometimes I just want to wear like my boyfriend's clothes. Okay, next thing is from Brandy Melville. I'm obsessed with collared shirts lately. It's really ironic because when I went to high school I had to wear a uniform and I hated collared shirts because I had to wear them every day, but now I want to wear a collared shirt all the time. So I like it because I feel like it spices things up from just a regular white shirt. Going along with the theme, I got this white shirt from Brandy Melville. So when I finally started getting colder here, I realized that I had no thermals or just any long sleeves to wear. So I just picked this up when I was in LA. It's just a good long sleeve shirt to have. Back to the color vibes, I got this gray one from Brandy Melville, and this one's long sleeve. You could honestly probably wear this with a skirt, like a cool like little checkered gingham style skirt and some booties, and then get away with it. That could be a really cute outfit. Okay, last thing from Brandy. It is this little sweater, but it has a hood. So I don't know if it's a sweatshirt or like a little crop sweatshirt, I guess. This is really cool and comfy, and it has a pocket, so that's lit. I also love how it has these stripes on the side of it because it kind of makes it a little more fun than just a regular black crop sweatshirt. So, moving on to like bottoms and skirts and pants like that. I got this skirt, which is from Urban Outfitters. This is so darling. I love this. I think it's adorable. I have a dress from Brandy Melville like this, but this is just fun and it's like so retro. I just love this. Okay, I need to move my camera because this lighting is just really bad. Dorm room lighting is just whack, so I'm sorry guys. So when I was in Michigan, I copped these light gray jeans. I never used to shop at Urban Outfitters for jeans, but now I've been getting like all my jeans there and I love them. I feel like their jeans are just so flattering and they make your butt look so good. I also love how they're cut on the end and then they get like a little wider around your ankle. Not too wide, like not bell bottoms, but like a good width. Super cute, really good pair of jeans. These are also the Kick Flare high-rise cropped jeans. Next pair of pants, which I think are so cute for going out, are these AM GIA pants. These are really nice because they cinch up around your waist and then they get looser throughout your leg and then they tighten back up again on your ankles, so it's just super flattering and these are just amazing. I went out with some of my friends and wore these pants with, I think it was a black crop sweater and then a pair of black booties, and it was just like the cutest outfit. Okay, so next thing is this dress, which is from Urban Outfitters. I think this is just a really cute going out dress. You guys can dance in it and do whatever in it. I also think the buckles on the sleeves are really, really cool. Okay, I'm pretty much done with all these clothes, so let's move on to accessories and shoes. So first pair of shoes are these little black boots. These are from Zara. These are really, really cool because the texture, if you guys can tell, is different. Like here, like this is super, super stretchy, which I've never seen, and then these are just like classic leather. I have a million black boots, but for some reason I happened to ruin all of them after like 5 times of wearing them, so these were just super nice because they're affordable and also really cute at the same time. I feel like a huge part of fall is beanies. Beanies are my favorite thing ever because whenever I don't want to do my hair or just I want to spice up an outfit, wear a beanie. The first one I got is from Urban Outfitters. I'm obsessed with this color because it's like a light little camel color, like that type of vibe. It's just very fall, I feel like, and yeah, I think it's amazing. Next one is also from Urban Outfitters. Oh, it has the Tommy logo right here. I think it's super dope, and yeah. Hair is super messed up. I'm gonna just keep it on now. Okay, sorry, my camera just died again. So last but not least, the best thing I got in this whole clothing haul were these mittens. These are probably the comfiest things ever. They're as big as my head. Bought these, my friends were making fun of me and said that they look like other mitts, but you know what? I don't care, because they're the best things ever. Also from Urban Outfitters, if you get one thing from this clothing haul, get these. Best purchase ever. So that concludes this clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, all my social media will be right here and linked down below if you guys want to see how all this stuff looks on. I've been posting a ton lately just to give you guys some like fall clothing inspo, so make sure to go check that out if you guys want. Also, comment down below if you guys have any other fall video requests or just video requests in general. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.